First, let's see how the oil flows in this machine. This is the oil inlet port, and this is the outlet port. And this is a specially designed port. When the machine is running, the oil flows into the inlet port through the primary filter, the secondary filter, and the fine filter, and then flows into the coalescence separation system. Finally, flows out from the outlet port. Now let's see how to operate this machine. Open the oil inlet valve and the outlet valve. Then start the oil pump. After purification, an oil has been all trimmed out. Stop the oil pump.